My name is Mary Ostheimer, and I've recently become a National Geographic Certified Educator. I teach second grade at West Park Place Elementary School in Newark, Delaware. My second grade class and I took the challenge to learn all about Mary Muchane and mushrooms. My students built science, theater, leadership, and art skills as we researched Mary and the types of mushrooms she investigates.
His mission is to characterize different kinds of mushrooms in the wild, grow them, further research, and develop ways to protect them in the wild. The tools are a microscope, binoculars, bags, notebook or journal, cooler, clipboard, map, trowel, and a pencil. The methods are to work very hard, so when she looks through a microscope, she will know what it is. Another method is to get a notebook or a journal to write what you find.
When Mary was a child, she wanted to be a scientist. And when Mary looked at nature, she found mushrooms. And then Mary looked at the mushrooms very carefully. And she loved taking them and doing it. And Mary worked in Africa, East Africa, Kenya. Mary worked in Africa, East Africa, Kenya. When Mary was a child, she wanted to be a scientist. And when Mary looked at nature, she was amazed by how things appeared in the world. As a child, she loved singing, reading, and dancing.
Mary works in Kenya, which is in East Africa. The regions are best described as the Aberdare forest. The work is done in the forest because many mushrooms like forested areas. Mushrooms are not animals and they're not plants. However, mushrooms, like plants and animals, are made up of cells. There are two basic parts of mushrooms, the stalk and the cap. The stalk or stem is attached to a large cap on top. This cap produces spores, which are mushroom seeds. The spores are released in order to reproduce and colonize new environments. Many species of mushrooms are food, and some are cultivated in our gardens or sold in supermarkets. Other mushrooms are poisonous, causing death when eaten. The most common mushrooms are umbrella-shaped and are found growing in yards, forests, fields, and gardens. There are 4 types of mushrooms. Decomposers are mushrooms that get their food from other organisms. Parasitic mushrooms get their food from a living plant or animal. Mushrooms that have a friendly relationship with plants are called symbiotic associations. These types of mushrooms get food from plants, and at the same time, mushrooms help the plant acquire nutrients from the soil. Finally, other mushrooms have medicinal properties and are used to make drugs when we get sick. In natural conditions, mushrooms help recycle nutrients and make them available to the plants.
Look, there's a log. And you know what? It's dead. And mushrooms are growing on it. And there's also the bright side of the field. Mushrooms can also grow there. Mushrooms can grow on the bright and dark side of the world. There are many other secrets of mushrooms. You may go outside and see yourself. Try to be as careful as possible. They can be dangerous.
Warning, please do not pick mushrooms by yourself. It can be bad for you.
Kids can get involved in Mary's mission by searching for mushrooms and taking photographs of them. Kids can sort out varieties of mushrooms. Kids can observe how different kinds of mushrooms appear during rainy weather where they live. And kids can look for mushrooms in grasslands, forests, or gardens.